So today we're moving stuff into storage so we can get ready to pick up our 4170.
Take me to the place where I come from, the only place where I really belong. Take me 'cause this voyage seems so long. Back to you. Ooh. Back to you.
This week, we officially kicked off Operation Lighten the Load, which is our fancy way of saying we started hauling stuff out of our Brinkley G3970 and into a storage unit here in Texas. Why? Because our shiny new G4170 is moving down the production line at the Brinkley factory, and we'd really like to avoid doing the world's fastest, most chaotic transfer when we trade rigs at Bish's RV in Caldera, Alabama. We've done enough Tetris in our lifetime. We don't need a championship round on pickup day. Now, if you've ever lived in an RV for more than, 48 hours, you know things have a way of multiplying when you're not looking. You open up a cabinet thinking you'll find a single bowl, and suddenly you're pulling out a waffle maker, 6 spare water filters, and a sweater you thought you lost in Montana. So as we're sorting through everything, deciding what stays, what goes, and what absolutely should not have come on the road in the first place, we've got two very enthusiastic helpers, Ada and Daisy. Every single trip to the storage unit means one thing to them: truck ride, and not just any truck ride, their favorite activity in the entire universe. Forget treats, forget toys, forget that one squeaky thing they're not supposed to chew on but do anyway, like my shoes. Nothing compares to climbing into the truck like they own the place. The moment the keys jingle, it's game over. Tails start wagging so hard the whole rig practically vibrates. They start doing that little dog hop that somehow means, hurry up, pay attention to me, and I would like to be the driver, please, all at the same time. Honestly, I think they've decided this whole downsizing project exists purely for their entertainment. Meanwhile, we're over here rediscovering things we forgot we packed, trying to convince ourselves that we don't need 16 spare fuses and 4 spare water filters, and pretending that we're extremely organized adults. But little by little, the storage unit fills, the rig gets lighter, and we get one step closer to pulling into Bish's, trading keys, and stepping into our brand new G4170 for the first time. But until then, we'll keep loading up the truck, and Ada and Daisy will keep believing they're the official quality control team. And honestly, they're probably doing a better job than we are.
Yay! First load is in there. Well, second load, because we already had the mattresses in there. So we are going to take most of the stuff out of the garage because we're going to leave Matt his computers. But anything we think we're going to be keeping until we can get back here is going in.
Going with us?
Well, like we are going to need the dresser that's back there, but we're going to put it in here. So because we're not going to need the dresser until we come back to Texas the next time.
Right.
So things like that. If we know we're not going to need it, immediately within the first 2 months of having the new rig. It's going to go into storage if we can, so that we don't have to deal with it when we're doing the solar install.
And so that we don't have to be those people spending a day and a half to move between the rigs.
Yeah, I think it's going to take us longer than we anticipate to move between the two rigs, but that is true.
I do too. That's what I'm afraid of.
Okie dokie.
Next run.
Next run.